10 fascinating facts about cryptocurrencies I bet you did not know. The concept of cryptocurrency has existed for a very long time. Since the creation of Bitcoin, a number of projects have also been growing steadily with a huge number of users. A growing number of people are considering investing in cryptocurrencies as a means of making money or even as a primary source of income. However, some people are still unaware of many historical details regarding cryptocurrency. 1. The concept of cryptocurrencies can be traced back to the 1980s. Surprisingly, the idea of cryptography existed before Bitcoin was ever invented. In 1983, an American IT specialist named David Shom presented the concept of untraceable peer-to-peer digital money. 2. HODL was born unintentionally. HODL began as a typographical error in the word hold. A trader using by the moniker GameCube said on a Bitcoin forum, "I am hodling," in an apparent jab at purported crypto specialists who wouldn't let him sell his coins. This glaring typo immediately rose to fame and has since been adopted as crypto lingo. 3. Bitcoin's first use is for pizza. A Florida man purchased 2 pizzas on May 22, 2010, for 10,000 Bitcoin, which was worth $40 at the time. This is thought to be the very first actual Bitcoin transaction. Those 2 pizzas or those Bitcoins are currently valued close to $250 million. 4. Dogecoin started as a joke. Dogecoin was created as a joke to ridicule some of the crazy cryptocurrency projections, but it has since become one of the most popular meme currencies. 5. There are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. The most popular platform for monitoring cryptocurrency prices is CoinMarketCap. This website has included more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies as of right moment. 6. The creators of Bitcoin is still unidentified. The fact that Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin is well known. His true identity, however, is still a mystery. Nobody is certain if Satoshi is a single person or a collection of people. 7. Over 87% of worldwide crypto ATMs are in the United States. The United States has 34,512 cryptocurrency ATMs, which is the most in the world, according to the information accessible on CoinATM Radar. With 2,544 sites, Canada ranks second and Spain, with 258 locations, ranks third in terms of the overall number of crypto ATMs. 8. Status of unicorn implies a crypto company with a value of over $1 billion. The term unicorn was originally used in 2013, using the mythical animal to symbolize the statistical rarity of such lucrative endeavors. 9. The total amount of bitcoins is limited. The supply of bitcoins has a hard cap of 21 million coins. As a result, once the 21 million coin cap is met, no new bitcoin will ever be issued. 10. The first blockchain game is CryptoKitties. Assemble and exchange. One of the first blockchain games in the world is called CryptoKitties. Dapper Labs, a Canadian company, created it on Ethereum and lets users buy, collect, breed, and sell virtual cats. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to learn more.